In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your speaker or microphone problems in Microsoft Teams. Well, the first thing I want to recommend to you is that you need to check if your microphone or your speaker is turned on or off, or if you're on mute or not mute. And you can see that by looking at your speaker on the lower right hand side. And here you can see right now my speaker is not mute and it is not turned down. So I can also go ahead and test if my volume is turned down by checking my volume, and you can see that it's on a fairly good level. Now, in Microsoft Teams, if your computer is working and you know that your speaker is working fine, you just listen to something, and for example, YouTube, that works fine. And now you're about to be in a meeting and somebody's speaking and you can't hear that person or the person can't hear you. It's most likely the settings that you have set in Microsoft Teams. And so I'm going to walk you through how you can quickly find and check these settings. So the first thing you do, ensure that you have Teams open. You click the tree that's in the upper right next to your account and go into the settings. Then click on devices on the left hand side, and here you'll be able to find your audio settings. This is going to show you your speaker option, and you will need to click there and find your correct speaker or headphones or something like that. While a microphone is another thing, it could be that is set to your computer one. And so if you have like a dedicated mic like myself, you want to ensure that you select that. And of course, while doing whatever you're doing, whether you're in a meeting or you just want to speak, you need to ensure that you're using these devices externally as well, so that you can either hear yourself or see yourself or whatever it may be, or you're showing the right screen if you want to share something. And so these are the easiest steps that you need to check your audio settings, your speaker or your microphone to ensure that this is working fine and it's currently selected. And that's it. And of course, you also have the option here that says automatically adjust mic sensitivity. You can choose to have this on or off as well. And there's a bunch more other settings up here, right here, that you can check, both for video and both for audio as well. That's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.